Princess of Wales deepens lifelong mission. With new early years mental health partnership at Anna Freud. London, the 27th of November 2025. The Princess of Wales made an emotional return to the charity closest to her heart on Thursday, stepping inside the Anna Freud Centre in North London for the first time in 5 years. Dressed in a tailored burgundy trouser suit and black roll neck, the 43-year-old royal spent 3 hours meeting parents, toddlers, and leading experts in what marked a major milestone in her decade-long crusade for children's mental health. The visit unveiled an ambitious new collaboration between Anna Freud and the Princess's Royal Foundation Centre for Early Childhood, a nationwide training program to equip health visitors, the frontline NHS workers who support new mothers in the critical weeks after birth, with cutting-edge knowledge on nurturing secure parent-child bonds. Professor Eamon McCrory, CEO of Anna Freud, described the day as really important and the partnership as transformative. Speaking exclusively to people after the visit, he said, "The princess met groups of parents with babies and toddlers and joined a series of discussions with experts. The theme was the crucial role of relationships, something very close to her heart. We know that strong relationships in childhood protect us from future mental health problems and act as a springboard for lifelong well-being." He continued, "Today we focused on prevention, not just treating problems when they reach clinical severity, but building the foundations for good relationships to thrive." The new program will train thousands of health visitors and early years practitioners across the UK to spot and strengthen the earliest emotional connections between parents and infants, connections that research shows can reduce the risk of anxiety, depression, and addiction. Decades later, Kate's hands-on warmth was evident from the moment she arrived. She crouched on the floor to play with toddlers, cooed over newborns, and listened intently as mothers shared the joys and struggles of early parenthood. She has such a natural, down-to-earth manner, Professor McCrory observed. Parents were very quickly at ease, sharing their experiences with her. She sat and played with the little ones. It demonstrated her genuine interest and her conviction that relationships are key to future prevention. The princess then moved to a round-table discussion with psychologists, pediatricians, and policy leaders, where she spoke passionately about the need to reimagine how society supports the earliest years. Her Shaping Us campaign, launched in 2023, has long argued that social and emotional skills developed before age 5 shape the adults we become. Professor McCrory noted the perfect alignment. This collaboration resonates deeply with her Shaping Us framework and the social-emotional skills she sees as critical. She is continuing to build a societal narrative about the importance of childhood, relationships, and healthy development. He added, "At Anna Freud we've been reimagining mental health care for over 70 years, but the princess is looking forward. In a rapidly changing society, her recent essay and talks emphasize coming together to strengthen bonds and prevent mental health problems from emerging. In the first place, the visit follows Kate's powerful speech at the Future Workforce Summit on the 19th of November, where she declared, consistent, nurturing relationships create the grounded and meaningful environments around a child that allow them to flourish. Professor McCrory sees the new partnership as evidence that her work has moved to a new level. She is seeking to support the workforce, engage wider business leaders, work directly with parents, and share knowledge. This collaboration is part of that ambition to transform how we think about well-being and good mental health. For Kate, Anna Freud has been a constant since 2016. When she first became patron, she has returned repeatedly, sometimes unannounced, to learn from clinicians and families. Thursday's engagement was her first major outing since completing chemotherapy in September, and friends say she was energized and emotional to be back among the people who have shaped her mission. The princess left with a handmade card from the children and a quiet promise to return soon. Outside, waiting photographers captured her warm smile as she waved goodbye, a reminder that 10 years after first stepping into this world, her commitment to the mental health of the very youngest remains as fierce and focused as ever. With this landmark training program now underway, thousands of health visitors will soon carry the Princess of Wales's vision into homes across Britain, that every baby deserves the strongest possible start through the simplest, most powerful gift: a loving, attuned relationship.